Hello, Kim Roble here, and I thought it might be a good time to give you a tour of the apartment. This is the entryway. And then we have actually a beautiful door that separates the entryway from the hallway, entering the main living quarters. And then more of these beautiful doors. I love these beautiful doors. I'm not gonna close them all the way, but seriously. Just beautiful. And the glass, look at that pattern. Beautiful. This is the living room. And the dining room, I guess. The wood in here is just beautiful. We have broken glass, apparently, I don't know. Our patio. Going back the way I came, we have a kitchen with another beautiful glass door. Small, but well appointed. We have whatever we need. The pantry is behind this beaded curtain. I was rather surprised when I was told they have a large washing machine, so maybe we can combine loads. And I say that because I'm from the United States, where this would constitute a travel machine. But we still have a washing machine. Yay, there's a bucket for some perspective. Super cute though. And the light's on in here. Let me turn it off. There we go. Pretty cabinets. And then I don't know about the other three rooms. There's a bedroom here, and there are two on that end of the hall. But this one is my room. That smells good. It has everything I need. My wardrobe. I have an ensuite bathroom. So the shower head I have down because it is way too high for me. And that is not, I don't know what that is. I think it's a urinal, because basically those two knobs, they turn on water, but I don't know what you're supposed to do with it. And then the toilet, of course, and the pretty tile with a nautical theme, because it is a port city. So there you have it. This is my home for the next month.